Jean Marlo Davis. I'm with TWC Elite Mastermind Bootcamp. Presents Supercharge Your Business and Increase Your Profits. So this weekend, we're gonna open up the playbook to show you how we were able to earn 6 figures in 4.5 months. Do you know that whatever you're afraid of is stopping you from making money? And some of us, we know that we're good, but we're afraid that we're good. We believe that everybody is an expert, everybody can teach something that they know, and what we're gonna do is show you how to quantitate your knowledge and how you can earn money in your sleep. This right here is very important. If you don't take the time to create the type of life you want, then you're gonna regretfully and painfully live the life that you don't want.
Jean's energy is infectious, and just being in a room full of people who are all really committed to living their best lives, and she's giving you really practical information that I can use today.
So you got to know what the audience want. If you don't know what the audience want, then you can't supply the need. If you can't supply the need, then therefore you cannot feed.
Giving us some real world information about how we can promote and grow our business instantly.
The reason why we chose this location is because we wanted people to be in the beautiful ambiance. We want people to dream a dream again. We wanted to show them that they can have, they can be, they can do anything. And we wanted to keep this group of people to a small group because we wanted to be more intimate. We wanted to be able to touch each person. We have a personal chef that's cooking breakfast, lunch, and dinner here, right here in the mansion. But most importantly, you have to be in an environment that is conducive to success. And being in this beautiful mansion, I think that what it has done is inspire so many people and let people know that they definitely can have anything they want to have, do anything they want to do, and be whatever they want to be.
Well, I'll tell you, I feel like I have already supercharged my business. They have not manifested yet, but I can tell you that due to this training this weekend, it have really gave me a new mindset, and the value that it have added to me just as a person, as an individual, it's just truly been a blessing.
If you don't do it, you got to pay somebody else to do it. And if you don't have the money to pay them, then how are you going to grow your business?
This was a great opportunity to not only learn about business, but learning how to balance the practicalities of everyday life along with chasing your dreams.
The information that we got this weekend far exceeded the cost we paid to be here this weekend.
If you missed this boot camp, guys, don't worry. We're going to be coming to a city near you. You want to run, not walk to the next boot camp. We'll see you in the next city. You can have, be, do anything.